Today, let's crochet this springtime lucky clover wind chime ornament, wishing you good luck. The yarn is Susan's Family 4-ply cotton, hook size 2.0. Use finger to make a magic ring, hook thread through the loop. Hook pass through the loop and pull the yarn over, hook pull through 2 loops. This is the first single crochet. Beginners, mark the first stitch of each round with a stitch marker. Continue crocheting 5 single crochets in the ring. Round 1, 6 single crochets total. After completing 6 stitches, pull tight the loop. Hook pass through the first stitch, pull the yarn over to slip stitch. Pull tight this loop, chain 1 to start the next round, which doesn't count as a stitch. Round 2, 1 single crochet in each stitch. Increase means 2 single crochets in each stitch. Beginners remember to mark with stitch marker. Round 2 completes with 12 stitches. Each round ends with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Each round starts with a chain 1 as the beginning chain. Round 3, first work a single crochet. Next stitch, work a single crochet increase. 1 single crochet followed by 1 single crochet increase is a group. Repeat this pattern 6 times for a total of 18 stitches. Round 4, first work a single crochet. Next stitch, work a single crochet increase. Next stitch, work 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase, and 1 single crochet as a group. Repeat this pattern 6 times for a total of 24 stitches. Rounds 5 to 8, work 1 single crochet in each stitch, totaling 24 stitches. Round 9, first work 2 single crochets. Next stitch, work a single crochet increase. 2 single crochets followed by 1 single crochet increase is a group. Repeat this pattern 6 times for a total of 32 stitches. Round 11, chain 2 as the beginning chain, which does not count as a stitch. This round works into the front loop only, meaning the inner half loop away from you. Yarn over, insert hook into the front loop, pull through, yarn over and draw through 2 loops. This completes the first double crochet. Continue working 1 double crochet into the front loop of each stitch around, totaling 32 double crochets. Round 12, first work 2 single crochets, then work a single crochet decrease by inserting hook into the next 2 front loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Repeat this pattern of 2 single crochets, followed by 1 decrease 8 times, leaving 24 stitches. Cut the yarn after completing the last stitch. Thread a sewing needle through the first stitch, then exit through the middle of the last stitch. This creates an invisible slip stitch. Weave in the yarn tail inside the work. Gather the last round inward and secure with glue. For the lucky clover motif, insert hook into the magic ring, yarn over, chain 3, then work 1 double crochet inside the ring. Continue with a chain of 3 and join with a slip stitch in the ring. This completes the first leaf. Continue with a chain of 3. Work 1 double crochet into the ring. Continue with a chain of 3 and join with a slip stitch in the ring. Complete the second leaf. Repeat the pattern for the remaining 2 leaves, totaling 4 leaves. Cut the yarn after completing all 4 leaves. Pull tight the yarn tail from the magic ring. Place both yarn tails at the back and trim them short. Crochet a total of 20 lucky clovers. Take a piece of yarn approximately 40 centimeters long, fold it in half, and compare the length with the wind chime. Starting chain for edging, make a slip knot by wrapping the hook over the yarn above and tying a knot. Chain 10 for the hanging string.
They know the one I love.
Fold in half and insert into the wind chime, secure it inside with glue. Attach the lucky clover to the string. The 4-leaf clover wind chime hanging ornament is completed.